The human brain is actually very advanced in one area that we oftentimes don't talk about, and that is the science of what is called neuroplasticity, the ability of brain cells to make new connections. Well, we always talk about making new connections in our lives and how important that is, but at a cellular level, when the brain makes new connections, it opens up new pathways, new and exciting ways to visualize the world, to visualize our existence. We now understand that an important brain chemical called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, actually helps direct the connection of one brain cell to another. It actually works sort of like growth hormone in the brain and allows these connections to manifest. The connections manifest based upon our experiences. The more we do something in a physical way, or the more we participate in a mental exercise, the stronger are the brain pathways that subserve that activity. You can literally cultivate a new brain based upon not only your actions, but even the thoughts that you choose to entertain. So it stands to reason then, if you're trying to develop connections to those more human parts of the brain, for example, the prefrontal cortex, that allows us to experience such human attributes as empathy and compassion and planning for the future, that you'd want to learn to maximize the ability to make those connections in terms of modern science. We understand that, for example, to increase the activity of BDNF, making that whole activity of neuroplasticity more functional, certain lifestyle choices are helpful to enhance the way that that all works. The unique ideas now that are being put forth by science give us an understanding that we can absolutely enhance the ability of the brain to make connections to those very important areas, the areas that we want to pursue in terms of our spiritual existence, in terms of gaining enlightenment. That is to say, by restricting calories, by adding certain nutrients, we can enhance the brain's ability to carry out this activity more quickly, more efficiently. We know that the brain actually thrives in the presence of specific types of fat. And one very technical fat, a technical term, is called beta-hydroxybutyrate. And not to be too scientific about it, but interestingly enough, beta-hydroxybutyrate turns on the brain's ability to use energy and also enhances its ability to make connections, to give us access to that part of the brain or those parts of the brain that define us as human beings. And oddly enough, beta-hydroxybutyrate is stimulated or produced in the body when we fast, and also is present in high quantities in coconut oil. So again, there are various nutritional ideas that can enhance our meditative experience, that can enhance what our goals are with respect to meditation and prayer, to make those physical and functional connections in the brain that allow us to become become the people that we're striving to become.